All right, good morning, guys. It is the next day, and a lot of things have happened and a lot of progress to the car. The S13, the S chassis is on its way to paint, but right now we are planning on getting a little bit more stuff done. Maybe a little, just little tiny minimal stuff. The car did had a lot of lows, so we had to do some filling in. The most problem that I had is pretty much the door panel on the driver's side. So I thought I wouldn't be able to fix it, but we got it fixed. So as you can see, let me show you guys real quick here. This part right here was all messy because it's all dinged up right here. So the only part was that I was questioning myself whether if I should get a replacement for this, the whole new door, a whole door, like a used one, a better condition than this. But we managed to do all the body work, and now it's all nice and smooth. Maybe not perfect, but it's nice and smooth, and it's ready for primer and to be painted to as well. So if there's anything that I can find that's like low spots, but there isn't. So the car, this panel, this door right here is perfectly fine now at its condition. So we got this door right here too as well. This is the passenger side door. It didn't have any problem at all. So everything was good. And when you're doing body work, there's a lot of turnaround, guys. There's a lot of turnaround. Just trying to get the shell in a perfect condition, guys. But we are on its way. So like I said, turnarounds, like little spots here and there I had to manage from yesterday. And this part right here is already done, nice and smooth. And I think what I'm going to do today is just basically take off all the inner side part, because we are going to be painting the inner seals too as well. I don't know what you call it, but they're all going to be painted. Trying to get as much detail as possible and hoping we get this thing going. And so now the door side, I found that there's like literally like a bigger spots right here too as well. So I just did a little lightweight putty, and I think this one is looking smooth, and this side too as well. It's not very many. It's a trunk hatch. It's actually not bad at all. So I managed to take off all the seals on the bottom. I think I'm gonna have to do the retaping on this one because for some reason this tape are so damn cheap. They're just not sticking well. So, but we're gonna do the best we can. So at least they're all covered up, ready for spray, some primer. I did found some of the rust on the brackets, and so this one I had to scrape them all off with the grinder. I can't wait to just start them all up. I did scuff them up already, so they're ready to be painted. So that one is set. Now, for just from yesterday too, like I said, I had a lot of turnaround with the hood being straight as it is now. Couple spots that are like has lows on them too as well. Did some body work on it, so it's perfectly fine. But then finding out at the end right here, just had like little low spots on this area. So yeah, and I think it's all smooth now, ready to go. And yeah, the major part too as well. The major part, other than the driver side door, was the wavy roof. I think in times they get very exposed to the sun or the weather, so they tend to warp. They tend to warp. There, so we had like warpage right here, and then we have on that side too as well. I spent so much hours just trying to get this body ready to go. The sides right here are all done too as well. Got the masking around the door area, and also I masked the VIN number too as well. So that one is, this side is pretty much done. Maybe I'll just have to fold this up or tape it. The rear trunk, these are all sanded out already. I just had to, today I'm gonna finish this up and then and mask it. And this side right here, all good to go. They're pretty much done. I'm gonna cover up the engine bay so I can lay this hood again on top, and so I can spray the primer, and we spray the primer all over the shell itself, so everything is masked up as you can see, and it's ready to go. So yeah, that's the update on the shell itself. So we pretty much painting the shell with the primer, lay it all out, and I think that should be good. Just trying to go for a little extra mile, taking a step at a time too as well. You know, might as well do it while I'm on it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna try to do my best to get far as I can today's episode, so let's go. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much wrapped up with the car, ready for primer, and the engine bay underneath the hood is pretty much ready and covered, so it's, we're good to go. So that's pretty much it, and I think we're ready to fire this up. But before that, I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm super hungry, so, and it's only like what time is it right now? Well, it's about 12 o'clock already in the afternoon, so I'm gonna get this thing going, get something to eat, and then I'm gonna get this thing going. So let's go. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Ooh, it's hot today, guys. Okay, finally back, and I got my food. I'm stuffed, and I'm ready to go. So let's go ahead and prime this thing. I did a couple of little things. I'm just getting too anal about it, or being my OCD just kicking in, guys, before I paint this thing. But yeah, so I think I'm just gonna wipe it up and just clean up a little bit, and then we prime. At this point, I really wish I had a GoPro so I can show you guys how everything goes. But I'm trying to bring you guys along. That's why this video is taking so long, but we're getting there. I'm trying to do my best I can to do any videography on this channel for you guys. But here's the car. She's ready, and just gotta clean them up, and that should be good. Ready to go. My guns are here. Got my primer, and we are ready to go, guys. Let's do this.